Hi guys, this is Richa and I welcome you to this video lesson on what is a noun and the difference between a countable noun and an uncountable noun. Let's get started. So guys, what a noun basically means? What is the definition of a noun? A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, thing, or an idea or a feeling. So whenever in a sentence you use a word to refer to a person, place, thing, or a feeling or an idea by its name, that becomes a noun. Countable noun. Names of things or people that can be counted. So anything that you can assign a number to is a countable noun. Examples: pens. You can count, right? Whether there's one, two, or more than one. Horses. Again, countable. Fans. Countable. Tables. You can assign a number again. Apples. Yes, you can say whether there's one or many. Notebooks. You can say whether there's one, two, or many. Uncountable nouns, exact opposite, names of things or people that cannot be counted. So when you cannot assign a number to something, that becomes an uncountable noun. Example: sugar, water, oil, sand, salt, hair. So guys, one very important point to be noted here is that you can never say please add some sugars to my tea, because sugar is an uncountable noun, right? You can't say please give me some waters. You all say please give me a little bit of water to drink, or give me some water. Please put some oils in the pan. You can't say that because oil is again an uncountable noun. So whenever you talk about an uncountable noun, you should never ever use the plural form for that. So that is the important note out here. Countable nouns have plural forms, but uncountable nouns do not. So you can say sugar, but can you say sugars? No, because sugar is an uncountable noun, so you cannot make it a plural. Table, countable, so tables is correct because you can justify whether there is one or more than one. Book, again a countable noun, so books is also correct. Milk, uncountable noun, so milks is not correct. So whenever you utter your sentences or write your sentences, make sure that when you talk about a countable noun, that is it's okay to assign a plural form depending on how you want to present it or what you want to refer to, but when you refer to an uncountable noun, do not use the plural form. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can stay updated on more of my upcoming videos. Do like this video, share it with your friends and family, and mention in the comment section how you liked it. And I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye for now. Take care.